Okay. Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all my dearest and beloved SMPNs of class 4. How are you all doing, guys? I can see Muhammad Usman, Kulsum. I will appreciate if you switch on your camera so that I can see you. Yes, very good. So, guys, after having a long weekend, we are here again. And one thing more that is so important to say you Ramzan al Mubarak, happy Ramzan al Mubarak, one of the most blessed month you are going to have. Okay? So keep blessed. So guys, today, okay then. Everyone, Muhammad Usman, Zainab Siddiqui, Raja Muhammad Usman, Umar Farooq, very good. So should we start our lecture? Okay. So I will share my screen with you. Okay. So guys, today we are going to have our English language class again, okay? And so start. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. My name is Musarad and I'm your English teacher. Very good, very nice. So today we are having again our English language class and our topic is to learn today, yes, review of tenses. As you have done the tenses, how many tenses you have done? 3 indefinites and 3 continuous. Means present indefinite, past indefinite and future indefinite, as well as present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. Right guys? Are you getting me? So what are tenses anyway? First we should know about the tenses. What are the tenses? Tenses tell us times of an action, what we are going to do, what we do, what will do, and what we have done. All time of action, the time of action. So, first of all, present tense, the tenses are distributed among present, divided into 3, present, past, and future. And every tense is further divided into 4. The present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Means each tenses is divided into further 4. If we talk about past, so past indefinite tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense, and as well as future. But at your level, you have understood or you have learned just 6 tenses. Means all indefinite, present indefinite, past indefinite, future indefinite, and all continuous. Present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous. So we will review today. Yes, very good, very good. Future spelling is wrong, Muhammad Usman. What is the correct spelling of future? Future. Yes, simple past, simple present. So we will review today just all indefinite, means 3 indefinite, that is called also simple present, simple past, or simple future. And tomorrow we will learn the 3 continuous, present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous. So guys, first we will review today. I already told you present indefinite, past indefinite, and future indefinite tenses. And they are also called simple present, simple past, and simple future tense. Got it? So please take out your English language copy, right? Today we will do in your English language copy. As you know, the tenses will be done in your language copy. Okay, Nabiha? Nabiha, please, all of you, yes, very good, very good. I can see your, yes, I can see. So guys, first of all, yes, you are showing me Nabiha. So please take out first what we'll do. What will we do? Do you know? As you always do, maintain the index first. All of you, most of you are writing the wrong spelling of future, my dear. Future. So please make it correct. Okay. So guys, first maintain your index, then I will explain with examples. Right, Umar Farooq? Today is 13/4, write the date first. Review of tenses, write with blue color pencil. Okay, with blue color pencil, review of tenses. We will learn all 6 tenses in 2 days. Within 2 days, today and tomorrow. Present, past, future, indefinite tense. Focus on the spelling of indefinite. Be particular. Be particular. Indefinite. Indefinite tense, right? Have you maintained the index, everyone? Please switch on your cameras. Everyone, Vanya. Yes. Have you maintained this index, Muhammad Umar, Umar Mohsen, Umar Farooq, Zainab, Manhazar, Emin Farooq? I can see all of you. Very good, my dear. Vanya, please switch on your camera. Muhammad Usman. Okay. Have you maintained the index? Okay. Nuran Munib Mushir. Nuran, where are you, my dear? Nuran. Okay, Nuran, what do you want to say, please? Yes, I have unmute your camera. Please unmute yourself. Nuran, ask whatever you want to ask. Okay, hurry up. I'm waiting you. Nuran. Okay, I cannot wait anymore. So please. Okay, now make the title page. And I always say you that every page should be dated. So please write the date on the title page also. Okay? So write the date on title page. Umme Habiba, what are you saying? Okay, index done. What are you saying, beta? No, no, no. What happened? Okay, review of tenses. Make the title page. And subtitle present, past, future, indefinite tenses. Please write it. First, we will do the work, then I will explain with the example as you know, and as you have understood already all the tenses about. So please do the work. This is review of tenses. Okay? Everyone. Have you done? Write in the chat box. Have you done the title page? Okay. Review of, yes, what happened? Okay, miss done. Okay, okay. Okay. Now, have you done, beta? We don't have much time. Show index, please. Okay, I'm showing you. Wait. See the index. Just write review the tenses and under with blue color pencil. Okay? Blue color pencil. Yes, Mehraj, we are going to have our language class and we are doing the review of tenses. So we will do all indefinite tenses as you can see on the screen, present, past and future indefinite tense. Okay? We will do today. So first we will do our copy work, then I will explain you with the examples. all the tenses, okay, as you have already done all the tenses. Okay, okay, beta. Samiha, okay, my dear. I am showing you index. I'm showing you index. First write the index, okay? First write the index. Yes, I have shown you on your screen. You can see the screen, the index. Okay? Okay, I'm showing you work. Now, after maintaining the index, we have made the title page, review of tenses, present, past, future, indefinite tenses, okay? With date, as you know very well, every page should be dated. Now, come to the new page. Okay, now stop writing and first, let me explain. Present indefinite tense means simple present tense. We also call it a structure, subject plus V1. V1 means, V1 means, yes, V1 means the first form of the verb. Okay, V1 S or ES. And where to use S or where to use ES? Yes, Sadia Batul. Are you watching? Have you maintained the index and title page, beta? Okay. And negative, as you have done already the negative. So, what we have done? Negative subject plus do not or does not plus V1 plus object. Plus V1 plus object do not. Where to use do not? With I, you and plural nouns we use do not. And with he, she, it and singular noun third person we use does not. Okay, who is this? Uh, Hassan Ahmad. Okay, but I try. Hassan Ahmad. Okay, beta. Hassan, can you switch on your screen so that I can see you? Okay, you have only 2 pages left. So you will do it, let's see. So interrogative, does, do plus subject plus V1 plus object. Okay, now this is the structure of present indefinite tense. Mehdi. I will unmute you. First, let me explain. Then. Who is this? Nabiha Ali. Okay. Okay, Nabiha. Okay. I try to unmute you. Nabiha. Where is Nabiha? I cannot see you. That's why. If you switch on your camera, then I can see you easily. Nabiha. Mom. Dua, Nabiha. Where is Nabiha? Please. Yes, Nabiha. I have unmute you. Unmute yourself and ask whatever you want to ask. Yes, Nabiha.
Miss, ये जो अभी
Please
Miss
say.
या present indefinite tense. Miss,
Nabiha, where are
now you
you?
are
Unmute yourself.
Miss, you are
Okay.
explaining this work is doing
Now
in
this is
copy
your
or
present indefinite tense. Now next, an example. Examples of present indefinite tense. He works hard. Do not write. Just listen it and see the screen. Do not write it now. Okay? He works hard. She washes clothes. I sharp my pencil in each and every sentence, like subject plus V1 and object. So he, we use V1S with he or she. You can see on the screen. S or ES. I sharp my pencil every day. We do not use here S or ES. Subject plus V1 plus object. We cut apples with knife. They do exercise daily. Ali reads newspaper early in the morning daily. Actually, present indefinite tense becomes a routine of our life. We do every day. We do in routine our work, that is called present indefinite tense. By present indefinite tense, we describe the routine work. Umme Abiha, get up, beta. Get up. This is not the way to take the class. My father and I clean our garden every week. My father and I means it becomes plural. My father and I clean our garden every week. This is our routine. Every week we do this. My father with me. We do this every week. Okay? This is present indefinite example. Now, past indefinite tense. Structure subject plus V2 plus object. V2. Just V2 is used in past indefinite tense. Never, never we use in any other tense or passive voice or anywhere. We do not use V2 in English language or English grammar. Just V2 is used in past indefinite tense. Keep in your mind, like do, did, done. So did is a V2. Okay. So in a negative, subject plus did not. We use here did not. And whenever we use did not in negative, the V2 becomes V1. Now it will not remain V2. Subject plus did not plus V1 plus object. Okay. Yes, who is raising up hand? Yes, Raja, what do you want to ask? Raja, unmute yourself. Unmute, beta. Unmute yourself and ask me. Zainab, do you want to ask something? Sufyan, you want to ask. Okay. Okay, I have given the
Miss,
access of unmute. Unmute yourself and
Miss,
ask me. Yes?
Miss,
Yes.
should we have to write the title page of
Sufyan,
past
please ask me
indefinite,
whatever you
present
want to ask.
indefinite? Miss,
मैं लोग कुछ भी नहीं पूछ रहा था.
Miss,
Yes. Dua, Zainab,
should we
do you
write the,
want to ask anything?
should we,
Your voice is not
Miss,
coming
can you
here.
hear me? Miss, can you hear me?
Okay,
Miss,
okay.
can you hear me?
Let's see here. So an interrogative, we use did. Did plus subject plus V1 and object. Like in negative, whenever we use did not, V2 becomes V1. Similarly, in interrogative, when we use did for interrogative, the V2 became V1. V2 becomes V1. So with did, we use V1. This is simple past tense. Okay. Now, here are some examples. Examples. He worked hard. She planned for picnic. When we do the work in past time, we enjoyed the movie last night. They wrote a letter last month. You scolded me. You scolded me. Yes, guys. You scolded his brother. Scolded means said bitterly. My father and I cleaned the garden. So these are the examples of simple past tense. Umme Abiha, are you getting me or are you sleeping? Umme Abiha? Yes. Do not chat with each other. Focus on your learning. Ishal, Fatma, are you listening me, beta? Raise up your hands. Okay, okay. So these are the examples of simple past tense. Okay. Now, future indefinite tense, and look at the correct spelling of indefinite. Indefinite. Indefinite tense. Still you are writing the spelling of tense wrong. Tense. Tense. Okay. Now, the structure of simple future tense is subject plus will plus V1 plus object. Very simple. We use will or shall with future indefinite, but shall is obsoleted now, so we just write will. Subject, he, she, it, you, we, they are subject, plus will plus V1. With all types of subject, we use will. Okay? Now, negative. Subject plus will plus not plus V1 plus object. Will not, just because we use not, we write not with any helping verb or auxiliary verb. So in simple present, we use do not. In simple past, we use did not. And in simple simple future tense, we use will not. So subject plus will not plus V1 plus object, right? Now interrogative. Will plus subject plus V1 plus object question mark. Will becomes out of the sentence before subject. Will plus subject. All types of subject, with all type of subject we use will. Okay, so these are three indefinite. Now the examples of in future indefinite tense or simple future. He will work hard means in future. In later he will work hard. He is not doing work hard. He is not working hard, or neither he works hard. It is not routine of him to work hard. Just he will do. He will work hard. She will iron her clothes in the morning. You will plan for a trip next week. I will trim my hair myself. My father and I will have a dinner today. Together, okay? So these are the my father and I will have a dinner together, because my father and I means we. We will have a dinner together. So these are the example of future indefinite tense. These all our tenses are called simple present, simple past, and simple future. Okay? Now, let's start our work. Okay, take out your copy. You have done the title page. Okay, Abiha Ali. Oh, sorry, Nabiha Ali. Nabiha, what did you want to ask, beta? Unmute yourself.
No, miss, nothing.
Yes, Nabiha. Okay, guys. So now you have to write in your copy. After title page, each work should be done in separate pages. So you need 3 pages. Now, write the date. On the red line, write present indefinite tense completely. Don't write in short. Present, present, indefinite, indefinite, tense tense. Please see the screen carefully and write it correctly. Now, on the first line, underneath of red line, write the heading structure with blue color pencil, okay? With blue color pencil, you will write the structure. Are you doing Umme Abiha, Manhazar, Umar Farooq? In beautiful handwriting, right? According to the lines. So, structure, have you written the heading? Okay. No, beta. Zainab, you are not supposed to make title page again and again. Just you have to make the title page one time. I have shown you the title page of review of tenses, and 3 tenses we have mentioned over there. So no need to write it again. Just start your work just right after the title page. And every page should be dated. Write the date. Have you written the date? Okay, Prashant. Okay, Prashant, you are late. So I will show you. I will show you the index. Now leave one page for title. Leave one page. I will show if we have time. But start your work from present indefinite tense. This is the first page of working. Now structure, subject plus V1 in bracket S or ES. Because with V1 we use S or ES according to the subject. Plus object full stop. Full stop. Okay? Have you written all? So beta, if you have 2 pages, so you can write in English literature copy, but write this work here in 2 pages, within 2 pages. Okay, Abdul Samad, I will show, but first do this work, I will show later. The previous pages. Just complete it, beta. We have done just title page. Structure, subject plus V1, S or ES plus object. Now the next heading on the right next line, examples. Examples. Okay. He drinks water. Now negative margin. In the margin, you will write negative. N-E-G dot. Okay, Abdul Samad. Okay. I will show you, Abdul Samad. This is just a title page. No, do not worry about it. Negative, he does not drink water. Full stop. Negative. And write in the margin interrogative. You can write here in the short form, like just write int dot. Int dot. No need to write the complete spelling. Just write int dot, interrogative. Does first letter should be capital. Does he drink water? And question mark. In interrogative, we put the question mark. So in first sentence, he drinks water full stop. He does not drink water full stop. But in interrogative, does he drink water? Question mark. Okay, most of you have done. So I'm showing the next page. The next page, again write the date. 13/4/21. Guys, I will make you write all the pages. Then I will show you from the index and title page. Okay? So do not worry. 13/4/21. Now we are going to have past indefinite tense, means simple past tense. On the red line with blue color pencil. Past indefinite tense. Structure. Structure, write the heading structure. Make sure your spelling should be correct. Subject plus V2 plus object. Subject, he, she, it, you, we, they, any name, children. I do not complete, Muhammad Umar. Which work you did not complete? I will show you again. First do the right slide, the current slide. Structure, write the structure, subject plus V2 plus object. Now examples, he drank water. What is drank? Drank is V2. He is a subject, third person singular, drank. Okay, drank. Okay, now drank Water. Okay. Okay, he did not drink water. This is negative. He did not drink water means did not and V1. Drank becomes drink. Did he drink water? Question mark. Did he drink water? Question mark. With did, we use V1. Drank becomes drink. Negative interrogative right in the margin. Okay, have you done? Now the next slide. Future indefinite tense on the third page. Future indefinite tense on the red line. Please write. Its structure. Very good, Muhammad Ammar. You have done. Eman Farooq done. Now the third page. Write 13/4/21. Date future indefinite tense. Write the correct spelling. Now you have learnt correctly INDEFINITE indefinite tense. Structure, subject plus will plus V1. Okay, Sadia, I will unmute you. V1 plus object. Now write the example like present and past indefinite. Sadia, please switch on your camera so that I can see you and then I will unmute you. Okay. So I'm writing correct. Okay. Very good. Now subject will plus V1 plus object. With every type of subject, he, she, it, we will, they, you, every type we use will. He will drink water, first form V1. He will not drink water. And interrogative, will he drink water with question mark? With question mark. Okay. With question mark. Okay, beta. So he will, Ahmed Raza, what happened? Sadia, where are you, my dear? Okay, what you cannot see properly? Okay. Yes, I will upload this work, inshallah, very soon. He will not drink water. Will he drink water with question mark? Okay. This is future indefinite tense, structure, examples. 3 examples. Assertive, negative, and interrogative. Everything is blurred. No, my dear, everyone is watching. Everyone is watching, beta. So these are 3 indefinites we have done on 3 pages. We have done the title page. And you have reviewed all the indefinite tenses with the structure and examples. Yes, Zainab Siddiqui. No, I don't think so, my dear. Okay, I will show you again all the... That's all, folks. Thank you for being with me. Stay blessed. Stay at home. Now I will show you the previous screens, okay? If you did not, so first you will do the index. Who has joined me late? So for them, maintain the index, review of tenses. Okay. Accidentally wrote future before past. Okay, it's okay, beta. No issue. Okay. This is the index page. Okay. Now this is your title page. Okay. This is your title page. I have written, and you know very well that every page should be dated. Even the title page. This is your title page. 13/4/21 review of tenses. present, past, and future indefinite tense. Please write the correct spelling of indefinite. Okay? Okay. Show me your work. Who is going to show me? Okay, okay, present. I'm showing you. You are not showing me and you are asking me, please see my page. So you are not. Switch on your camera so that I can see your work. Now I have explained you subject plus V1 S or ES plus object. And this is for explanation. And now I am going to show you the first page after title page. This is the work you have to do. You have to do, this is the work present indefinite tense, write on the red line. Okay? Okay? I cannot hear you. Who? Mohammed Usman? Why, beta? Now structure subject plus V1, S or ES plus object. And examples, he drinks water. Drinks water. Negative, you will write in the margin line. NEG, just short form of negative. Okay, you have not completed your work of prairie fire. Okay, let's see. I will make you do in your revision, inshallah. Okay. So he drinks water. He does not drink water with full stop. And interrogative, do not write the complete spelling if you cannot. So just write INT. Okay. Okay, okay. Past I am showing you, beta. Now this is past indefinite tense. On the red line, you will write, on the red line, yes, Nuran. Okay, now structure, subject plus V2 plus object. Nuran, do you want to ask me something? Unmute yourself.
Yes.
Okay, and Shara Mansoor, you have done very good. Zakawat, have you done, beta?
Yes.
Okay, most of you have done.
Yes.
Very good. So, drank water. I told you drank is a V2. So, you should learn all the forms of verb. Do, did, done, go, went, gone, drink, drank, drunk. And in negative, whenever we change into negative, in simple past tense, we write subject plus did not plus V1. V2 becomes V1. Okay? So he did not drink here. Drank becomes drink. And interrogative, did means did is an auxiliary verb. It comes out of the sentence before subject, and this is what did he drink water. Again, with did we do not write V2. With did we should write V1. Okay, so did he drink water? With question mark. You have learned the punctuation also. So punctuation, in punctuation with interrogative sentence, we use question mark. Okay, Zainab. Okay, I try. Where is Zainab? Okay, where is Zainab? I cannot see you, my dear. Okay. Let me try. Zainab Siddiqui, where are you? Can you switch on your camera, please, so that I can see you? Yes, Zainab. What do you want to ask? Please. I have given the access of